We take a look at some of these questions, and again, it matters if it intersects inside, outside, or on, right? Because we have different rules that we have to follow. So if it's on the inside, we add the two arcs and we take half of that. And if it's on it, it's half of the arc. And then outside is half the positive difference. So if we look at angle number 1, we're going to find angle 1. So it's on the inside, so we take half the positive difference. We're going to take 40 plus 52, and we're going to take half of that, and that would give us angle 1. So 1/2, and 40 plus 52 is 92, and half of 92 is 46. So angle 1 is a 46-degree angle. And then if they intersect on the outside or on the circle, they get treated like inscribed angles, not really inscribed angles. And so we're looking for this arc right here, arc RT. Then 74 is half of that arc. So 74 is half of arc RT. So if we multiply both sides by 2, we get 158 equals arc RT. So they get treated like inscribed angles. They're not really inscribed angles, but they get treated that way. Oh, I'm so sorry. 74 times 2 is 148, not 158. Okay, and then if they, so this is inside is the average, and on, it's half of the arc. And then this other sheet, these are some review questions about tangents. And it says, assume that lines appear to be tangent. O is the center of each circle. What is the value of X? So on number 2, if we remember, right, if the tangent is perpendicular to the radius, that angle right here would be 90. So that means X plus 51 would have to equal 90. Right? And so the same thing here on number 2, this would be the right angle. So the radius is perpendicular to the point of tangency. And then down here, here's a really great algebra reminder. We are going to find x to the nearest 10th. And so we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, but this is, so on number 7, we have x squared plus 9 squared equals, and then this whole side is x plus 6 equals x plus 6 quantity squared. So that's x squared plus 81. And then this, remember, means multiply something times itself. So we have to take x plus 6 times x plus 6. So we're going to distribute here. So we're going to take x times x is x squared, and x times 6 is 6x, and 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times 6 is 36. So we have x squared plus 81, and then if we combine like terms here, we have x squared plus 12x plus 36. So really nicely this time, the x squareds, right, x squared minus x squared. So then we have 81 equals 12x plus 36. So we're going to take 81 minus 36, and then we're going to divide that by 12. So we're going to take 81 minus 36 is 45. And we're going to divide that by 12. And then in the directions it says round it to the nearest 10th. This is 3.75 or approximately 3.8. So either answer is acceptable. So on number 8, if I get that set up for you, right? So here the right angle would be right here, right? So x squared plus 12 squared, so this is number 8, right, equals the quantity x plus 8 squared. And remember that means x plus 8 times x plus 8. Right, if you have any questions, please remember to email me. That will get you the response faster. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks.